Cold starts. Seems harmless, right? Just turn the key or push a button and you're off. But what if I told you that those seemingly innocent cold starts could be shaving off 15,000, maybe even 25,000 miles from your engine's lifespan? No joke. Engines that should be running smoothly for years meet an untimely death, all because of a few common cold start mistakes. What's up, Motor Mindset family? Today, we're diving into the cold, hard truth about cold starts. These simple mistakes are silently destroying engines, and most drivers have no idea it's happening. But don't worry, we're not just pointing out the problems, we're giving you the solutions to save your engine and your wallet. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to avoid to keep your engine purring like a kitten, even on the coldest mornings. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, revving the engine right after startup. I see this all the time. People jump in, turn the key, and vroom! They think it helps warm up the engine faster, but it does the exact opposite. When an engine is cold, all those metal parts, pistons, cylinder walls, they're actually smaller than they should be. Revving a cold engine forces these contracted parts to slam against each other, causing premature wear and tear. Ever heard that rattling noise? That's piston slap, and it's the sound of your engine crying for mercy. Instead, start your engine and let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds. Just enough for the oil to circulate. Then, drive gently until the engine warms up. Trust me, your engine will thank you. On the flip side, letting your car idle for 10 minutes isn't doing you any favors either. It feels safe, right? Let it warm up slowly. But here's the truth. Cold idling makes the engine run rich, meaning more fuel than necessary is being burned. This extra fuel seeps past cold piston rings and dilutes your engine oil. That means less lubrication and more wear on engine parts. Plus, idling takes forever to warm up the engine. By the time it's warm, who knows how much damage is already done. Instead, start your car, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then drive gently. Light loads warm up the engine faster and more efficiently. Think of it as a light jog before a sprint. Next up, using the wrong oil viscosity. This one's a silent killer. When it's cold, oil is thicker and moves slower. If you're using the wrong viscosity for your climate, your engine isn't getting the lubrication it needs, especially at startup. Check your owner's manual and always use the manufacturer's recommended viscosity, especially in winter. It could mean the difference between an engine that lasts 200,000 miles and one that barely makes it to 100,000. Taking short trips is another engine killer. If you start your car, drive for a couple of minutes and then shut it off, your engine doesn't get hot enough to burn off moisture and fuel byproducts. This leads to oil breakdown and internal corrosion. Plan your trips better. Combine errands or take a slightly longer route to ensure the engine reaches operating temperature. If it's just a short distance, consider walking. It's good for your health and your engine's longevity. Last but definitely not least, hitting the gas pedal hard before the engine is warm. It's tempting when you're in a rush, but cold oil can't protect fast-moving parts as effectively. Flooring it before the engine is ready causes metal-on-metal contact, leading to excessive wear. Keep the revs under 2,500 RPM until the temperature gauge is in the normal range, and for my turbocharged maniacs, hold off on the boost until everything is fully warmed up. So, what's the right cold start routine? Simple. Start your car, wait 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to circulate, then drive gently. No revving, no long idling, and definitely no flooring it. Small habits make a huge difference. Trust me, I've rebuilt enough engines to know. These cold start mistakes may seem minor, but they add up fast. Treat your engine right from the start, and it'll reward you with years of reliable performance. Ignore this advice and you might just find yourself looking at a repair bill big enough to make you cry. Have you been guilty of any of these cold start mistakes? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Mindset for more tips that keep your ride running smooth. Until next time, keep those engines purring, and remember, your car's heart deserves the best care.